Here's how to make an iPhone alarm vibrate only. Now, let's head into the clock app on your phone. And at the very bottom left, let's tap on alarms. Once we're in here, we just need to choose the specific alarm. Let's say this 7 a.m. alarm, wake up every day. Now you can see it says repeat every day, label, and sound. All we need to do is tap on sound here and scroll to the very bottom and just choose none. So essentially, we've disabled the sound on here and turned that off. And if we scroll to the very top of here, you can see haptics, which is essentially vibration on your phone. Tap on that and make sure that is not set to none. If it is, then it won't ring or vibrate. But if you want to, you can choose any of these different vibrations. Just choose whichever one feels good to you or sounds good to you. And you can also hit create new vibration if you want to create a new one just for a specific alarm. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.